Hi friends, welcome back everyone to Angel Trading Friend. The quote for today is: the stock market is a device for transferring money from the impatient to the patient. It's very beautifully told by Warren Buffett. Friends, to be frank, this campaign of 60 days challenge is done to show you all the meaning of this word called patience. Okay, because trading is a game of patience. You need to have lot of patience, lot of emotional control. Basic intention of starting this campaign was that, to be frank, I was unfortunate to not to have to see such kind of campaigns programs when I started my career 8 years back. When I was thinking that, stock market people, those who are making money like Warren Buffett and all those people, they used to continuously make profit every day or every month or every week, whatever it is. And then whenever I used to get any losses, I used to think that, oh, I'm doing something wrong, I have to change. And then I used to again go search for other strategy. But then there was nobody to guide me, there was nobody to show me like this kind of live trading campaigns where, continuously you trade and you show how the life of a trader is. Okay, so as you would have observed in my trading videos also, I'm showing you continuous 60 days trading, live trading. Even if it is profit or loss, I'm sharing it with you all. The only reason, because you also have to observe the same thing. You have to learn the patience which I'm using, you have to learn the discipline which I'm using, you have to learn the money management which I'm using, and last but not the least, you have to identify the trend which I'm using to get correct stocks, to get trade correctly into stock market, where you need to have at least an 80% or 70% accuracy ratio. Okay, any strategy you take, easily you can make 50% accuracy, but if you make 50% accuracy, what happens is that the losses will be very, losses and profits will be almost same, and you'll hardly have any profit, and it will be eaten away by your brokerages and all those things. But then if you're having a higher accuracy of 70 to 80%, then every month or every, year, you can be in profits. Okay friends, so without wasting much time, let us look into today's live trading video. Today is day 9 of our 60 days campaign, and all of you those who have started, I think today it was a very easy day because the stock selection was very easy. So let us go into the video. Yeah, today the stock selected was S Bank, and I don't think you had any difficulty in finding the stock. And as per the trend, it very clearly shows the stock was trending, and then we had to wait till 1:30 because till then there was no trend. The market was moving sideways. After that, we got a clear indication of the trend. Thereby, today we had to take at 1:30. Okay, friends, let us take target of 0.6%, and then 6% comes to 1.3, sorry, 0.6%. In the same way, stop loss is going to be 0.4%. Okay, so it comes to 0.85. I'll mention it as 0.8. Okay friends, for trading for a stop loss of 1000, we'll divide 1000 divided by the stop loss. We got the quantity, accordingly we will mention the quantity. We have placed the, this is how we are going to place the buy level. Hope you saw the quantity, OC order, stop loss limit, buy price, and the trigger price. Now let us keep the trap for the stock market. Levels are not important here, mind you. We have to identify the trend. If the stock is trending, then we have to buy at the breakouts and sell at the low price. Otherwise, if the stock is ranging, then we have to either wait, or you can also sell at the high price. So friends, you saw that there's no close order. Yeah, so you saw that both the orders have been placed. It's trigger pending. We are keeping both the buy order as well as the sell order because we are not predicting the market. Now many were asking me, sir, that since you're already finding the trend, then why are you placing both the orders of buy and sell? So let me be very clear in this situation, telling you that we are only identifying whether the stock is in a trending or in a ranging phase. That's it. We are not predicting the direction of the market. I have told you many times, don't predict, because anything can happen. And mind you are just going to take a 0.6% target. So at any moment, a small reversal will give you losses of 0.4%. So don't go to predict the market. Just place both the buy orders and sell orders based on our trend analysis. And then after that is done, you just have to wait for one order to trigger. You won't waste any time in this. You will get notification in Upstock. Yeah. Then I'll just show you the profits today. So we made almost 1280 rupees profit in S Bank, and it was because of the slippages. And as you all know, that slippages is a major concern, but we can't help it. And then let us continue the practice of updating into our Excel. So this is nothing but the day 9, and profit is 1288. Okay, so this has been the journey till now. We started almost on 6th February, and you can see we are at a profit of 7,925, and even if you are taking out the brokerages, it will be easily about 6,000 rupees, and 6,000 rupees with an investment of 50,000 rupees. And as you know that we are not utilizing the full 50,000 rupees, it is clear cut money management. First you have to decide how much is going to be your loss. So if you are trading for 1,000 rupees loss, accordingly calculate the quantity, and accordingly you can see that we're targeting for a loss of 1,000 rupees, whereas we're targeting for a profit of 1,500. Okay friends, so last but not the least, the platform which I use for trading is Upstock. In case if you want to join Upstock, you can use the link which I provided in the description of this video. You'll be getting 50% discount on my training fees, and in case if you use the promo code FEB300, then you'll be getting 300 rupees return, brokerage returns, when you open this Upstock account. Upstock is very good, promoted by Ratan Tata. It has got a lot of features, notifications, and then OCO bracket orders for commodities, so various benefits of that sort. So in case if you want to try out, you can please try out. Okay, any other doubts? If you want to WhatsApp me, you can WhatsApp on my number 8095876525. And in case if you want to learn the trend analysis and continue this journey along with me, then you can also join along with me. All those of you who have learned the trend, hope you all felt very comfortable trading today. So thank you and have a nice day.